welcome to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I have a very special video for you. So my boyfriend and I moved into our home about 4 years ago, almost 5 years ago, and our home is, it's a really nice home, but it is builder grade, and it was already finished, so we didn't, build it from the ground up. So there were things in it that we didn't really like and we really needed to change. So along the way and over the past few years, we have made some changes, updates to our home. One of the things we've done is we painted all of our interior doors black, as you can see behind me, and we are absolutely loving it. And we're just making little changes along the way. So today's video is a mini makeover of my master bathroom, and the video today is in conjunction with Heidi Sonboul over from Heidi Sonboul Home, and it's her mini room makeover. So excited that Heidi asked me to participate. And the other participant in the mini room makeover is the Blondie next door. Her name is Jelena. She does all things DIY. She loves farmhouse decor, as well as Heidi. Heidi does a lot of DIYs. Everyone knows Heidi Sonboul. She does the most amazing DIYs. She's so creative, and I was just very excited and happy that she selected me to participate in the mini room makeover. So I will leave a link for Heidi's channel down below for those of you who are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor, of decorating my home with style on a budget and making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you like today's video and you decide to stick around and hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. And also remember to click that notification bell so you will always be notified when I upload a video. So let me show you what my master bedroom looked like when we first moved in. Let me tell you, it needed a little help. So let me show you.
So this is how our master bathroom looked when we first moved in. It's an okay bathroom, but totally not my style. I don't like the fixtures or the builder grade mirror. I can live with the fixtures. I'll probably change them later, but we'll keep them for now. I do like the wallpaper. The wallpaper was the only thing that I liked. I don't like the flooring. It is totally just ugly. It's like brown. I don't like the cabinets. They're okay, but I wanted to change them to black. I don't like the floor, as I said. It's just not my style. So I wanted to change it up, and the first place I went for inspiration is Pinterest. So I searched Pinterest for things that I liked and that I wanted to incorporate into our master bathroom. I wanted it to be fresh and modern and with a touch of glam, and I just wanted it to totally reflect our style. Black and white are my signature colors, and that is what I wanted to use in our master bathroom. So I created a mood board, and on the board I put everything that I wanted to change in our bathroom. I wanted to frame the mirror, I wanted to paint the cabinets black, I wanted to install new lighting, change the shelving, paint the doors, and the floors. Of course, the floors had to go. So guys, I apologize. I lost the footage of where we laid down the tile, but it was very easy to do. It is pill and stick tile, but now I am grouting the floor because I want it to look as authentic as possible. So I've applied the grout and I love the way this is looking. I absolutely love it. I think if you didn't know it was pill and stick tile, you might actually think it was real marble.
All right, guys, here is our finished marble floor, and I absolutely love it. Oh, yes, so nice. So, on to the next step. master bathroom turned out, and I love it. I am so excited. It is so modern, so fresh, and so glam. I just really enjoy my new bathroom, and I hope you like my new master bathroom as well. And it gives you tons of inspiration, and it shows you what you can do with a little bit of money to think outside of the box and reimagine a room in your home. So all in all, this mini makeover cost under $500. I know that's a little bit much, but again, I had to buy some accessories. I had to buy the tile flooring. I will leave a link for the flooring in the description box below. Of anything else I can think of that you may be interested in, if you also want to do a mini makeover on a master bath or any bathroom in your home, I highly recommend the floor tile. I just absolutely love it. It just brings a whole new vibe to the bathroom. So I want to thank Heidi for, again, inviting me to participate in this mini makeover. And now we're going to hop over, and I want you to go down and click on the link below to see Jeleena's mini makeover. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you stick around and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I know a lot of Heidi's followers do modern farmhouse. My style is a little more modern glam, but still I hope that you find some inspiration and you decide to stick around, because I think we can all learn from each other and take a little bit from each other and incorporate it into our home. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Remember to click the link down below to hop over to see Jeleena's video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.